Yeah.
Okay, put it on me. Put it on me. This turns out to be a baby. It fell out of its nest, and as you can see, it still has white on its things, on its head. That means that it's a baby. It isn't fully grown yet. If it needs any help, we will try to help it. We will do little bitty experiments on it, and I think that will hurt it. But this is bird experiment number 1.